Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing some planting. I wanted to get some seedlings started. A seedling is what happens when you put a seed inside of some soil and then it begins to grow. And then once it's protected in the house and it grows a little bit, you can transfer it. That means move it from one place to another place and put it inside the garden or inside of a container. This is a recycled egg carton. I'm using this to be able to contain everything in a nice, neat, and orderly way. I have two different kinds of seeds here. Do you know what these seeds are? Sunflower seeds. And now these are called violas. It's a good V word. It's going to be our letter for next week. Violas. Now, I'm hoping that these will work. These are seeds from last year. I'm not positive if they will work. So I have some sunflower seeds over here that I'm putting onto the white paper so you can see them. And I have some viola seeds. Whoa. These are not the same. Can you see what is different about these two different kinds of seeds? I'm just going to move this a little bit. Look at these seeds. And then look at these seeds. What do you see that's the same? They're both kind of dark in color. What do you see that's different? Size is different. One is bigger and one is smaller. This one kind of reminds me of black pepper that you might put on food. It's that tiny. Also, they're different shapes. You can't really see, but these are kind of roundish, and these are pointed on one side and rounded on the other. Not all of them, even all of these seeds are not the same. There's different shapes to those seeds. So there are a lot of things that are different about these two seeds. But both seeds inside have everything they need in order to grow. Inside, out when the water comes and the food is there and the sun is shining, inside, magic happens. It has the beginnings of the stem and the leaves and the petals of the flower. It's really wonderful to watch things grow. So what I'm going to do is, as you know, we need to have some soil. So I'm going to fill the little holes with some soil. And this soil has some nutrients in it. Nutrients are things that help us grow. Human beings, animals, plants, any living thing needs nutrients to grow. What are your favorite nutrients to eat? Broccoli? Do you like to eat apples? Drink orange juice? Do you like to have a hamburger? All of those things contain nutrients that help us grow. Okay, so I put the soil inside, and now I'm going to put my finger in, make a little hole for the seeds. So I'm going to pick up some of these little tiny ones. It is very difficult, and I'm going to sprinkle them on top. I'm going to put a few in each of these. I'm going to do 6 and 6. 6 violas and 6 sunflower seeds. The rest of the seeds I will put in my garden. It's very difficult. There's so many seeds here, I would have had you count them with me, but these little tiny ones, there's hundreds. But what we can do, look at this. We can count these seeds. How about we put 3 in each little space? All right, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I still have a lot left over. So after this, what I'm going to do is put some water on top. The soil is kind of wet because I took it from outside in my planter. So I'm not going to have to put a lot of soil in, a lot of water in. In fact, I'm going to cover up a little bit, add a little bit more on top to make sure that the seeds are protected. Especially since we're doing this inside the house, I don't want them to dry. I don't want them to be under the soil so they'll soak and grow. Okay, friends. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to check on these every day, or maybe every other day. We'll see how that goes. All right, my friends, I'm going to put this over to the side. And I'm going to ask you to help me to count. Look at these seeds. Wait, let's put it this way. I'm going to count the remaining, that means the ones that are left over. We're going to count the remaining sunflower seeds. Can you see that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Holy moly. 20, wait, that's a piece of something. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Wow, 33 more seeds I can put in my garden. That will be a lot of sunflowers. Sometimes the sunflowers don't grow. I'm not sure why. Sometimes they do. So not all of these seeds will probably grow, but we're going to check on them. Just by looking at this, can you tell me, is it the bottom row that has more or the top row that has more? Which one has more seeds? The bottom row or the top row? Right, the bottom row has more. The top row has less seeds. Very good. Now, friends, we're finished for today. Going to put those over. Hopefully the sun will come out a little bit later, and I'm going to leave them in a place that's sunny so that the sun and the water and the soil can work their magic and help those seedlings grow. Have a great day.